Hello, now let us start the second part of necklace. Today this lesson will be completed from Monday, that is from 18th of May we are going to start first lesson of algebra, that is sets. Be ready with your textbook on Monday. So let's go to our lesson the necklace, part 2. At the end of part 1 we saw that Mithilde lost the necklace of her friend Forestier. Okay, now what happened next? They looked in the folds of her dress, in the folds of her cloak, in her pockets, everywhere, but they could not find it. They looked the necklace, they searched the necklace in her dress, folds of her dress, in the folds of her cloak. Cloak means the long gown which is you wear at the time of party, in her pockets, everywhere, but they could not find it. Are you sure you still had it on when you left the hall? Her husband asked her that was she sure that she still had it on when they left the party hall. She remembers still that it was in her neck when they left the hall. Yes, I touched it in the hall at the ministry. Now the husband said, but if you had lost it in the street, we would have heard it fall. It must be in the cab. Now they are thinking to search the necklace in the cab by which they travelled up to their house. Yes, that is probably it. Did you take his number? Now the Mithilde is asking to her husband that had he taken the number of that cab driver? Her husband said no. They stared at each other. Stared means they looked at each other. At last Loisel put his clothes on again. She wore up clothes again. I am going back, he said. Okay, over the whole route we walked and see if I can find it. Now Loisel, that means her husband, told that he was again ready to go out to search for the necklace, and now he was thinking to search the necklace on the whole road on which they walked. He left. She remained in her ball dress all night, her mind blank. Her husband returned at about 7 o'clock. He had nothing found. He went to the police, to newspapers, to offer a reward, to the cab companies. Everywhere the tiniest glimmer of hope led him. जिथं जिथं आशेचा किरण दिसत होता, जिथून जिथून छोट्याशा जरी होप्स असतील तरी सुद्धा ते प्रत्येक ठिकाणी जाऊन सांगत होते. न्यूजपेपर्समध्ये बातमी देत होते की जो शोधून देईल नेकलेस त्याला आम्ही रिवॉर्ड पण देऊ. She waited all day in despair at this frightful disaster. Despair means depressed. She was depressed. She waited all the day. Loisel returned in the evening. Loisel means again her husband. He returned in evening, a hollow, pale figure. He had found nothing. You must write to your friend, he said. Tell her you have broken the clasp of her necklace and that you are having it mended. Now what he suggested to his wife, that she should write to her friend, that is Mrs. Forestier, that necklace has been broken and they have lent it for the lent it to mend, that means to repair. It will give us time to look some more. That means they should get some time to look for some more, that means to think what to do next. She wrote as he directed. At the end of 1 week they had lost all hopes, and Loisel, who suddenly looked aged, declared, we must consider how to replace the jewel. Now what we have to do? We must consider, now we have to replace the jewel. And so they went from jeweler to jeweler, looking for a necklace like the other one, consulting their memories, both sick with grief and anguish. Now they are moving from one jeweler to another jeweler looking for the same necklace to buy and replace it. In a shop at the Palace Royal, they found a string of diamonds which seemed to be exactly what they were looking for. It was worth 40,000 francs. They could have it for 36,000. So they begged the jeweler not to sell it for 3 days. Okay, they found the exact looking the diamond necklace in the Palace Royal in some shop. The amount of was 40,000 francs, but they finalized it at 36,000, and they begged the jeweler not to sell it for 3 days. Within 3 days they will manage amount and buy that necklace, and they made an arrangement that he would take it back for 34,000 francs if the other necklace was found to before the end of the February. Loisel had 18,000 francs which his father had left him. He would borrow the rest. Loisel, her husband, was having 18,000 francs. Now remaining amount they must borrow from someone. And he did borrow. He borrowed from someone. He gave notes, made ruinous agreements, dealt with every type of money lender. Then he went to get the new necklace and laid down on the jeweller's counter 36,000 francs. When Madame Loisel took the necklace back, Madame Forestier said coldly, "You should have returned it sooner." Now they purchased that another exactly looking diamond necklace, and this Mithilde now had went to Forestier, and she is giving that necklace to her friend. What Forestier said, "You should have returned it sooner." तू हा लवकरच आणून द्यायला पाहिजे होतास. I might have needed it. मला त्याची गरज होती. From then on, Madame Loisel knew the horrible life of very poor. Now what happened? To purchase that diamond necklace, they have lended everything. Okay, now they became very poor. But she played her part heroically. पण तिनं आपलं काम सगळं व्यवस्थितपणे करत होती ती. काय काय करावं लागत होतं, या बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी तिला कराव्या लागत होत्या. द ड्रेडफुल डेप्ट मस्ट बी पेड. डेप्ट मीन्स लोन काढलं होतं, ते लोन फेडायचं होतं. दे डिसमिस देअर मेड मीन्स सर्वंट. ओके, दे डिसमिस देअर सर्वंट. दे चेंज देअर लॉजिंग्स. दे रेंटेड अ गॅरेट अंडर द रूफ. नाउ दे ऑल्सो चेंज देअर लॉजिंग मीन्स दे चेंज देअर हाऊस. they were owning their own house, but after lending their house also they started to live in the rented house. She came to know the drudgery of housework. आता तिला घरातली सगळी कामं करावं लागत होती. Odious labors of kitchen. She washed the dishes, dirty linen म्हणजे लाद्या पुसणं, फरशा पुसणं. She carried the garbage down to the street every morning and carried up water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath. मध्ये मध्ये थांबून श्वास घ्यायला लागायचा. Dressed like a commoner. She had to bargain at markets, quarrel and face insults over every miserable soul. Each month they had to pay some loans, renew others, get more time. Her husband worked extra, every evening doing accounts for a tradesman, and often late into the night. He sat copying a manuscript at 5 sous a page. एका पेजला त्याला 5 sous मिळायचे. हे करन्सी आहे. ओके, म्हणजे तो सुद्धा ओव्हरनाईट काम करायचा. अँड धिस लाईफ लास्टेड 10 years. असं आयुष्य त्यांचं 10 वर्ष चालू होतं. ॲट द एंड ऑफ 10 years they had paid off everything. After 10 years they had paid every amount they lended from any person. इवन द इंटरेस्ट सुद्धा त्याने पे करून टाकला. सगळं लोन फिटवून टाकलं 10 वर्षांमध्ये. मॅडम लॉयझेल लुक्ड ओल्ड नाव. ऑफन शी ब्रूडेड ओव्हर द पास्ट. व्हॉट वुड हॅव हॅपन्ड इफ शी हॅड नॉट लॉस्ट दॅट नेकलेस. शी थिंक्स समटाइम्स if I had not lost that necklace, how should my life would be now. How strange life is, how fickle, and how little is needed for one to be ruined or saved. एखाद्या माणसाचं म्हणजे लाईफ चांगलं होणं किंवा लाईफ खराब होणं ह्याच्यामागं किती छोटीशी गोष्ट कारणीभूत असते. म्हणजे तो नेकलेस हरवल्यामुळे ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी घडल्या. वन संडे ॲज शी वॉज वॉकिंग इन द चॅम्प्स एलिझिस, सडनली शी सॉ मॅडम फॉरेस्टियर still young, still beautiful, still charming, even after 10 years. Madame Loisel felt emotional. Should she speak to her? Yes, of course. And now that she had paid, she would tell her all. Why not? आता सगळं तिला सांगून टाकायचं ठरवलं तिनं. She went up to her. Good morning, Jenny. The other astonished. The other is referred to Mrs. Forestier. She was astonished to be addressed so familiarly by this common woman. Addressed means calling. फॉरेस्टियरला त्या लॉयझेलनं हाक मारली. कुणी इतक्या साधे कुठली मुलगी आहे, कुठली लेडी आहे जिनं आपल्याला हाक मारली, हे बघून तिला आश्चर्य वाटलं. शी डिड नॉट रेकग्नाइज हर. व्हॉट शी सेड, मॅडम आय डोंट नो, यू मस्ट हॅव मेड अ मिस्टेक. तुम्ही कोणाला तरी चुकीची, म्हणजे आपली ओळख नाही आहे म्हणते ती फॉरेस्टियर. ओळखतच नाही तिला त्या लॉयझेलला, इतकी ती म्हातारी दिसत असते. Loisel said, "No, I am Mithilde Loisel." Her friend uttered a cry. "Oh, my poor Mithilde, how you have changed." "Yes, I have had some hard times since I last saw you, and many miseries, and all of because you." "Me? How can be?" Mrs. Forestier asked. "How I am responsible for your miseries?" "You remember that diamond necklace that you lent me to wear to the ministry party?" "Yes, well, I lost it." "What do you mean?" "But you brought it back." Forestier said, "You brought it back to me. You have given it to me in return." "I brought you back another exactly like it, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. It was not easy for us. We had very little. But at last it is over and I am very glad." आता सगळं झालेलं आहे, आम्ही सगळं पेमेंट करून टाकलं, इंटरेस्ट सगळं भरून टाकलं, आता सगळं संपलं आहे. हे सगळं ऐकल्यानंतर मॅडम फॉरेस्टियर वॉज स्टन्ड. स्टन्ड मीन्स शी वॉज शॉक्ड. "You say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine?" Loisel said, "Yes." "You didn't notice then? They were very similar." Now she smiled. She means Madam Forestier smiled with proud. लॉयझेल, तिला खूप अभिमान वाटतो की तुझं हरवलं माझ्याकडून, पण मी पुन्हा ते भरून दिलं आणि त्यासाठी आम्ही 10 वर्ष अशी घालवली. इनोसंट असते, वाटत असते तिला स्वतःला. अभिमानी वाटत असते की आपण, तिचा लॉस झाला तरी आपण तो भरून काढला. मॅडम फॉरेस्टियर डीपली मूव्ड, टूक बोथ ऑफ हर हँड्स. "Oh my poor Mithilde, mine was an imitation." माझा जो हार होता तो एक नकली हार होता, इमिटेशन होता. फक्त त्याची किंमत किती होती? 500 francs ॲट मोस्ट. फक्त त्याची किंमत होती 500 francs. ओके. आता याच्या साईडचे क्वेश्चन सगळे करून टाकायचे आणि वर्कशॉपमध्ये बघूया काय काय. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग हे करा. त्यानंतर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राईट व्हॉट यू थिंक अबाउट द फॉलोइंग थॉट्स अँड ॲक्शन्स ऑफ मिथाल्डे. हे करा. थर्ड क्वेश्चन नाही करायचा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 नाही करायचा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 करायचं आहे. तिन्हीसुद्धा करायचे आहेत. पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्स क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. व्हॉट वूड यू डू इफ समथिंग लाईक धिस हॅपन्स टू यू. जर तुमच्यासोबत असं काही घडलं, तुमच्याकडून एखादी कोणाची मौल्यवान वस्तू हरवली, तर तुम्ही काय कराल. व्हॉट ओपिनियन डू यू फॉर्म अबाउट मिथाल्डेज हजबंड फ्रॉम हर स्टोरी. and which events in the story changed Mithilde's life. हे तिन्ही करायचे आहेत क्वेश्चन्स. त्यानंतर हे टेबल लिहून घ्यायचं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 मधलं. ओके, एवढंच करायचं आहे. पण आज हे करू नका, किंवा आज आज संध्याकाळपर्यंत ओरलचा स्टडी करा. ओरल झाल्यानंतर रात्री हे करा. उद्या पुन्हा याच युनिटमध्ये टेस्ट आहे. टेस्टसाठी जेवढं ग्रामर तुमचा आजपर्यंत झालेलं आहे, सगळं ग्रामर करायचे. जे काही ग्रामर आहे ते आता मी लिस्ट काही देते ग्रामरची. सगळं ग्रामर प्रिपेअर करा. रायटिंग स्किलसुद्धा आहे, ते सुद्धा प्रिपेअर करा. आणि ह्या युनिटमधले लेसन्स, पॅसेज वगैरे येणारच आहे तुम्हाला, त्याप्रमाणे प्रिपरेशन ठेवा. लेट्स स्टॉप.